Hello everyone, welcome to Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today I will try to discuss about that topic how you can easily import the remotely sensed data in Google Earth Engine Python API and use inspector tool. Basically, today is our third number of lesson. If you don't watch our previous lesson, first and second, then you can also continue from this playlist for the first lesson, also watch the second lesson, and then move to this today's lesson. I will give this video playlist link in this video description. From that you can easily access this playlist and continue from here. So let's go. So here I already create open my Google Collaboratory. I simply click on the new notebook for opening the new notebook. So first of all, I need to import the GEMAP package. So basically GEMAP package is not install it in Google Colab. So for that, I can simply install it in here. So simply use this pip install GEMAP package, then click the run. So now it installed all of those GEMAP packages, and further we can easily use this package and work with Google Earth Engine Python API. So now let's go. It working. So now you can see here it's showing that installing collected package, all of this package is successfully installed. Okay. So now I take the new cell for the code editor, and then I simply import the two things. Import EE means that Earth Engine. So basically in Google Colab already installed the Earth Engine package. So in this time we don't need to install the Earth Engine package. It already installed it. Okay. And also import GEMAP package which I all install it in here. So now click to the run. You can get it will be successfully run. It means that your all of those packages is successfully installed in Google Colab. So now you can easily work with that. Okay, so let's go. In this time, I want to display my map which I work. I want to display the base map. So for that, I take a object and call the GEMAP package. From that, I need to use here the map, and then I simply use here the center of this map. For that, I can use here the specific coordinate. Okay, and also set here the zoom level. Suppose 5. So now display this map. So I simply call this object is the map and click to the run. So in this time here you can see it need to load. Okay, so it need to load in here, and I need to verification. Okay, so for that I simply click on here, and now I just connect the Google Earth Engine with my Python API or Google Colab code editor. Okay, so now it's mainly one kind of authenticate for checking that. So I simply click on the generate the token and sign in with my email which I used to open the Google Earth Engine account. After that, I can simply click on here, manage your Google Earth Engine data, and also manage your data permission in cloud storage. Then continue. So now you can see it provide me a authorization code. I just simply copy that from here and then paste and then click the run. So now it loaded the map and you can see it showing the successfully saved authorization token. Okay, so it create the OTP or one time password like this token. So this token I used and display the map from the Google Earth engine. So now you can see here it's showing this map look like this. I think it's the 23 and I need to put here the 90. Then I'll click the run again. Okay, so now it's better. You can see now it loaded in here. Okay, so in this time I again explain where I can do in here. So in this time you can see I take a variable name map and then call the GE map package. From this package I call a library map. In this library I want to show the center and make a list. In this list I want to define my specific latitude and longitude. Okay, so basically this is the latitude and then longitude, and put here the zoom level 5. If you want you can use here the 10, then it also more increasing the view, and click the run. In this time you can see we can get the result look like this. Okay, so I think I put here the suppose 8, then click the run. So now it will zoom level be 8. Okay, if you want you can put here the 7. Now this zoom level will be 7. Okay, so now I display this map. So basically this is my map interactive view. Here I can load all of the remote lessons data and work with that. Okay, so now when you want to import the data in here, so I take a new code cell. Okay, in this time suppose I want to add the data for the boundary shape file. Okay, suppose I want to add the data for boundary shape file. For that, what can I do? So I just simply go to this my code editor from here. So basically this code editor is that JavaScript API code editor. Okay, and in this time I also get the help from here and import the data in Python API. For that I can simply search here a dataset, suppose US dataset. Basically this dataset provide you the whole country bound, all of the country boundary shapefile in the world. I just simply click on here. Here I can get all of the information. I just simply copy this dataset snippet and then paste in my code editor and then give a variable name. Suppose I put the variable name is a country. The variable name can be anything. There is no problem. And now I want to filter that. So use here the filter. How I can filter Earth Engine. Filter dot equal what's equal what country NA, and put here this country name such as Bangladesh. Suppose I want to need this Bangladesh country boundary shape file. So just I work with that, and now I want to display the result. So what can I do? So just I simply use the function map.addLayer for display this result. Put here the country. Okay, and then also put here this suppose layer name, suppose Bangladesh. Okay, so now I display the result. So I simply call this map object. Okay, and then click the run. So in this time it display this country boundary shapefile of Bangladesh. Okay, so here you can see it display this country boundary shapefile in here. So in this time here you can see I can import the data US dataset. Mainly it provide the international country boundary polygon. This dataset I import in Google Earth Engine Python API. Okay, Not only for that, you can easily import all of those data set. Okay. Suppose you want to import the data set about the land use and land cover data set. For that, what can you do? So first of all, you can simply go to this here, and you can simply open this search here. Suppose I need the land use land cover from the modis. Simply search here modis land cover. So now it display this data set name. You can see modis land cover. Suppose I want to use at the modis yearly land cover data set. Okay. For that, what can I do? I can simply copy this snippet from here and then just paste here. Okay. And give a variable name. Suppose I put this variable name such as land cover. Okay. After that, this image collection I need to filter according to the time period. I need to select this band. So just I simply use this select function and select the band such as, you can check the dataset from here and go click and see band. You can see LC type 1. So basically this is that annual international geosphere and biosphere program classification. I select this band and paste here. And now I also need to select the suppose a specific time period. Suppose filter date. Suppose I need this dataset for this time period year of 2020. So just put here 2020 1st January from 2020 December 31. Okay. And suppose in this time I load this dataset in here, look like this. And then I simply put here this, suppose I need this mean result about this dataset. So now I want to display the result. What can I do? I just simply use here map.add layer and call the land cover. This is my object. So I just simply copy that object name and paste here and then click run. In this tab, you can see another layer is also loaded in here, but it not display because after the object name, we always put here the visualization. So in this time, I did not add the visualization, so that's why it looked like the black color. So in this time, I simply go to this code editor again and click on here. There already provides some demo visualization code in JavaScript. You can see there provide some demo visualization code in here. I just simply copy that. Basically, this is a JavaScript code. You can easily convert the JavaScript into Python API. So for that, what can I do? I can simply paste here. Suppose I paste in here. And then in this time, var, I simply remove the var. Because in Python, we don't need to use any types of var. And then we also need to, this main, I need to put here this quotation. Max, I also need to put the quotation. And plate it, I also need to put the quotation. Okay. And then simply copy this variable name from here and paste after the object name. So just I simply paste here this object name and click to the run again. In this time, you can see what happened. It's showing the result of the land use land cover classification map for the whole world. We can get in loaded the data set in the Python. Okay. So for the whole world, we can loaded this land use land cover classification result. Okay, so now you can easily clip with your own area, all of the things you can easily do. Suppose in this time you also want to work with the another data set. You want to work with the suppose DEM data set or digital elevation model data set. So first of all, you can simply go to this Earth Engine code editor and search here. Suppose SRTM dataset. So now you can see display the SRTM digital elevation this dataset. If you want, you can also use here the another dataset is that NASA SRTM dataset. If you want, you can easily work with this dataset. So how you can easily import the dataset? So simply copy this snippet from here and then paste in your code editor. So just I simply paste and then give a variable name. Suppose put the variable name dem. You can use any variable name. And now this image, you can easily show the result. Okay, suppose you want to show the result. If you want, you can also select this band, simply use at the select. So mainly it provide only one band. You can see this SRTM dataset provide only one band. This band is the elevation, and this elevation unit is that meter. Okay, just I simply copy the elevation and then paste it. Okay, so now display the dataset. For that, I can simply take a variable, suppose map dot. So I take a variable, suppose I put the variable name is that. Okay, you can directly show the result, suppose map dot add layer, and then call this dim. Okay, and I also want to show the some visualization such as mean. It will be start from the 0, and also put here the max. It will be 300 meter. So just I simply put that and then click to run. In this time, you can see this data sheet is also loaded. If you want to check it, just simply show the layer, all of the layer you can see. So in this time, when I click on here and then simply click the layers, here you can see, first of all, it's showing the layer for Bangladesh. I put also the layer name. So it's also better. If you want to add the layer name, then you can easily identify. Suppose I put this layer name, I put this, suppose this is that dim. Okay. And also put this layer name. This is that LULC. Okay. Now click to the run again. And see it loaded. And now we can easily show the layer. You can see. I also click on here. And also click in here. So now it display my all of the layer name. You can see here I can get the land use land cover dataset. I also get the DAM dataset. So you can see this is that LULC. Okay. So this is the LULC. After that, we are this is the DAM dataset. You can see. So whole world for the DAM dataset. Also, you can see that land use land cover dataset. Okay. So in this time, here I can get all of the things in here. You can see DAM dataset. Also get this dataset about that country boundary shapefile of Bangladesh. Okay. So in this time, if you want to check for a specific result about the DAM, so for that we need to click on the inspector tab. So inspector tab is mainly provide you the information for about any pixel value. Suppose for any specific coordinate, what is the pixel value of NDVI? What is the pixel value of land use land cover? What is the pixel value for elevation? For that, click on here in your inspector tab. You can see this is the inspector tab. I simply click and then simply click on this map. So now it's showing this result. You can see it loaded. Okay. So in this time for this coordinate, what is that elevation I can got? What is that LULC type I got? All of the things it easily visualization in here. So I click on here. So now for this region, what is that coordinate? What is that elevation? What is the land use land cover type? So you can click on here. Now we can get what is the elevation about this coordinate. You can see 140 meter, 104 meter. LUC tab is the 8. So we can easily get this from the inspector tab for get the information. Okay. So I hope you can easily do that. And I also send you all of the practice code in our Telegram group and also send you our WhatsApp group. So you can easily join in this group freely. And if you want to join my online training program for learning all of these things from beginners to advanced level, so for that you can easily check my all of those upcoming course from here. So basically our new upcoming course will be start from 9th June, and now our registration is the open. Okay, so our course will be start from the 9th June, and class time is that from 9 p.m. Bangladesh time, and our from the next 9th June we will start our new batch. Okay, so if you want to interested to the join this course, you can easily contact with me. So basically this course we will try to discuss all of the things. Basically this course we mainly focus the beginners who don't have any knowledge about the Google Earth Engine, JavaScript or Python, or don't knowledge about the Google Earth Engine function. So you can easily contact with me and learn all the things. We mainly focus on those people who don't have any knowledge about that. And after completing this online training program, you can do able to any types of remote licensed work using the Google Earth Engine very quickly and efficiently. We mainly covered the land use, land cover, air quality monitoring, time series analysis, calculating any indices, supervised machine learning, all of those things from beginners to advanced. So here you can see all of the course content. Google Earth Engine introduction, JavaScript programming language A to Z, Google Earth Engine server language A to Z, filtering and displaying the raster data and remote license data or vector data, importing the raster and vector data, calculating with images raster and calculation, calculating NDVI, NDWI, EVI, all other indices. Introduction to the image classification, land cover and land use classification using machine learning, cropland classification using machine learning, exporting raster and vector data from Google Earth Engine, how to make research paper map using Google Earth Engine and ArcMap software, how to make time series chart for NDVI, NDWI, and other indices, spectral indices, and develop the skill for calculating any index, how to remove cloud from the satellite images, how to monitor surface water, rainy and dry season, visualization of the dam data, hillshade, and also make the salt map, aspect map, how to make an NDVI chart over a period of time. Then we'll try to discuss about the air quality monitoring, all of those concentration of the ozone, methane, sulfur dioxide, formaldehyde, aerosol, how to download the air quality parameters dataset, how to make land use, land cover accuracy assessment using the Google Earth Engine, CAPFA, producer accuracy, consumer accuracy, overall accuracy, monitoring the land surface temperature using Landsat and Moody's data, make the time series chart of LST, how to calculate average, maximum, minimum pixel values using Google Earth Engine, how to calculate the classified area in Google Earth Engine, how to make single class map R1 water body map, and finally how can easily add the legend title on your Google Earth Engine. So all of those things we can easily complete it. You can easily join our online training program and learn all of the things, and you can also get this all of this course benefit after completing all of this assignment. You can also get the certificate, you can get all of the slide PDF, all of this practice code you can get, also get the recorded video class, and you can also get the lifetime teaching support from us. From anytime when you face any problem, you can just contact with us, you can get this solution about that. Okay, and basically this is a total 7 days online training program, and in this 7 days online training program we have every day you can get the 3 hours, and class will be held only for the Friday and Saturday. Okay, so if you want to interest to the join, you can just simply contact with me WhatsApp number, as well as you can also contact with me this email for booking your seat. Okay, okay, so thank you for watching that. Every time keep safe and also happy. Okay, so thank you for watching.